I found a method to create 40 social media posts within just 2 minutes. And in this video, I'm going to try it out and see if it actually works. So all in all, like, it does work, but you need to change a couple of things. Being consistent with your social media is one of the biggest struggles out there for a digital marketer or business owner. So if we would be to create 40 social media posts within just 2 minutes, that would be amazing. However, not all methods work well, so let's see if this one does. The first thing that we need to do is we need to go to Chatgpt. Then in the video he typed in "give me 40 ways to make money online," and he already messed up. He didn't say please, which means that if AI decides to attack the human race, he's first to go. Always say please. Then when you enter, Chatgpt is going to give you 40 ways to make money online, which we can then use for the social media posts. Now, of course, you can change this for your niche. You can type in "give me 40 tips about dogs." Give me 40 tips about water, guitar, piano, whatever it is. The next thing, we need to copy all of this text. So all of the 40 ways to make money online. And we need to copy this. Then we need to go to an Excel sheet and paste it in right here. And now we have 40 ways to make money online within this Excel sheet. Then you need to go to File right here, click on Download, and download it as a CSV file. Now make sure that you do this right, otherwise this method won't work. Now you need to go to canva.com, then click on Create Design and create an Instagram post. I like to use a square post. Now you can also just search up Facebook post and use the square post, like it's the same. Then right here at our design, you need to choose your template first. So just search up tips right here at the search bar and then choose one of these templates. Now all that's left to do is to edit the template so it matches our colors. You will probably have a couple of colors that you are using for your business, so make sure that you are using them right here as well. So I've now changed the entire template, so wanna make some cash. And then of course you can change the website as well. So thomasisawesome.com, which is my YouTube channel, of course. Then right here, we are going to paste the methods to make money online. And now the way to do that is to click on apps right here, scroll down and go to bulk create. Now we need to upload the CSV file. So I've now uploaded it. And as you can see, it's right here. Now what we need to do is we need to click right here on the text, right click, click on connect data and select this one, so the one that we have just added. Then right here, click on continue and click on select all. Then click on generate the 39 pages. So now it has generated 39 pages for us, but not 40 for some reason. That's something that he forgot to do, but I will show you that in just a minute. But right here, as you can see, like, we have 39 different posts. Now, of course, they're not really special. Like, of course, it's not good if you are posting the same template every single day, because people will start to notice. Then the last thing he did is he went back to Chatgpt and again he messed up. He write in "give me a caption for method 1." So I'm just going to write "please" right here and click on enter. And now he has given me the caption, and that was the end of the method. However, I can see that some things are not really in line and that we can absolutely not create 40 social media posts within 2 minutes this way. First of all, he is asking for captions for every single method, like one by one, which means that that is going to take a lot of time, because we need to type in "please give me a caption for method 2 and 3 and 4. You know what I mean? That's just going to take a lot of time. So how can we change this? Because it's actually a really good method. The way to do that is, first of all, we are gonna go to the Excel sheet right here, and we are going to right click right there and click on insert a row above. Then I'm just going to type in method. Now what this will do is, if we will download it right here and we go back to our post, when we select it here, it will select method. Then when we click on generate, it will say 40 pages and we will have all of the pages and not just 39 and one right here. So I have uploaded the new file right now and I'm just going to show you what I mean. So I'm going to connect data and right here it will show me method. I'm gonna click on continue, click on select all, and it will generate 40 pages for me. So at the new bulk create, you will see that the first one is also included. So to make sure that we're not spending too much time on Chatgpt, we are going to type, please act as a social media expert, and then please give me social media post captions for the 40 methods. Make sure you say please because you don't want to go first. Then click on enter, and right now it is giving me 40 social media post captions for all of my methods. Now if it stops, the only thing that you need to do is you need to click on continue generating. So right now we have 40 social media post captions that we can use for the social media posts that we have just created. And the way to organize this is actually really simple. You select all of this, so all of the captions, you select them and you copy them. Then you go back to your Excel sheet. Yes, that's right. And you type in captions right here. And you paste in the list right here. And now the method will be here and your caption will be here. So does this method work? Yes, I think that it does. Now, of course, the social media posts are not extremely well, but I mean, Chatgpt is just amazing. I even tried to create a song with it. I'm still figuring that out. So all in all, like, it does work, but you need to change a couple of things. Like, for example, what I showed you with the Excel sheet change. And then, of course, in Chatgpt, you can make your life much easier if you just ask it to create things for you in bulk. But be sure to use please. And now, of course, you can do this for any single niche. So you can apply this to your niche, like I told you before. Like, for example, give me 10 great songs, or, you know, whatever. Like, give me the 10 best books on self-improvement, or on money, or on sporting. I'm just naming things that I like, but the possibilities are endless. Now, the only thing that I would recommend is just make sure that you're going through this. Like, Chatgpt is amazing, but it's still not the best. Like, it still provides inaccurate information sometimes. So after Chatgpt has created everything, just be sure that you are reading through it and make sure that you are actually providing value to your audience. Because if you're not going to provide any value, then in time they will notice. Like, people are way smarter than you think. Anyone that's telling you to provide low value content is just full of, you know what I was trying to say. But, you know, just go through this. Now, also for the Canva, what I would recommend is just choose a couple of templates and then bulk create them in that. Or just use like different colors, or make sure that you are using different types of posts. Like, you need to make sure that you are changing it up, because using the same thing every single time is going to bore your audience out. Now, what you can do, however, is you can use this method to create 40 posts with the same template, because what you're then doing is you are creating a template for this particular type of post. But then make sure that you are also doing this with other ways. So this one is 40 ways to make money online. Then do the best money tips, the best tips to save money, the best tips to make money, how to create good content, or how to do this, how to do that, and then bulk create it again, but use a different template. If I wasn't looking at you, I was distracted by the screen where I can see myself, because I just look really good. I'm obviously joking, but I'm not. So if you like the video, like. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. And if you want to make sure that you are streamlining your entire digital marketing space, then be sure to watch this video about my favorite all-in-one marketing tool. But I will see you in the next video.